Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we have something very interesting. I was finally able to get my hands on the Adidas Ultra 4D 5.0 shoes. Now these are very interesting because the midsole is actually made with the industry's first application of digital light synthesis. And so this first came out on the Futurecraft 4D shoes, and those are incredibly expensive, but finally they've reached scale in production and the price has been able to come down. So we have basically an Ultra Boost on a 3D printed midsole, and that is what the Ultra 4D 5.0 shoe is. So immediately I was amazed by how much better this looks than the first several iterations of their 3D printed shoes. So finally I was able to get one that was black on black, and this one is not the all black, but it's close enough, and it should stay clean longer than the other options that they have. The first thing I noticed was that the base is actually stiffer than I thought, even though it is a little squishy on the sides, but it is very, very solid. And it becomes immediately apparent when you put it on how snug the shoe is. It reminds me of maybe the laceless Ultra Boost from a few years ago, but with a lot more support and stability. So it's definitely an improvement on the original Ultra Boost, because Boost, while comfortable, sometimes doesn't give you the support that you need. So I'm definitely excited to try these out and wear them around as my daily shoe now. And I'll definitely update you in the comments how that goes. If you have any questions, please let me know. But overall, they are very snug. They look great, finally, for a 3D printed shoe. And then the color scheme on these is very nice as well, so it should be easy to wear these with jeans or anything, really. You should be able to wear them for runs due to how stable they are, and the level of support they give is amazing. And be sure to let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.